Hi everyone. Okay, so this afternoon I would like to explain to you how to round off numbers because this is the most common mistakes of the students. They are confused on how to round off numbers. You learn rounding off since grade 1. So I hope you master this concept. So I call this rounding numbers, the basic. Okay, so let's go back to our lessons. The name of the places of the numbers. Okay, so for example, there are two examples that I am giving here: 56,942.781 and 73,456.218. Okay, so these are the places of these numbers. 1 and 8, their place is called thousands. 8 and 1, hundreds. 7, 2, tenths. So you see, after the decimal, their places have THS. It means that these numbers are after the decimal. Okay, they are in the THS place. 2, 6, ones. 4, 5, tens. 9, 4, hundreds. 6, 3, thousands, and 5, 7, 10,000s. So I want you to remember all these. Okay, there's some more here, and there's also some more there. But I am just going to introduce to you these things for the example that will be given to you. So you can run off numbers into any other types of rounding, like the one I'm giving here: round to the whole number, round to tenths, round to hundreds, round to 10,000s. Take note, I want you to read properly, okay, and to remember the endings of the instruction. Round to hundreds. You see here, THS, hundreds. Here, hundreds. Tenths, THS, and here, 10,000s, no THS. So this is how you are going to round off numbers. I want you to remember this. Okay? Always look at the number at the right side. For example, round to whole number. Whole numbers are numbers without decimal. So it means that you just remove these numbers here, then you have the whole number. Okay? So for example, number 1, 56942.781. So you can round off to that number into a whole number by writing 56943 or 56943.000. Okay? You see this? The 2 here is changed to 3 because it is rounding off to whole number. Or sometimes also round off to ones digit, some instructions like that, but the common is round off to whole number. And for the second number, 73456.218, you see, take the difference, the 6 is still there. Because, as what this says, always look at the number at the right side. Okay? There are two kinds of numbers. Lower number, these are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the higher number, these are the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So when the right side number is in a higher number, you have to add 1 to that number, like this one. Okay? The right side number of 2 is 7, belongs to higher number. So it means you have to add 1 to 2, making it 3. So 5, 6, 9, 4, 3 is the result. And make all the numbers, the rest 0. Okay? For the same example, 73456.218, you see, take notice here. the number beside 6 is 2, which belongs to the lower number. So there's no need to add to 6. Just leave 6 there. That's why the answer is 73456 only. Or you can also write 73456.000, but it doesn't matter if you write it or not. Okay? So always look at the right side of that number, Round to the nearest tenths. What is the right side of tenths? The tenths here is 7 and 2. The right side is 8 and 1, the hundredths place. So you have to look at this number. So for the first number here, for number 1 example, that's 8, which belongs to a higher number. So you have to add 1 to 7, making it 0.8, and make the rest of the numbers 0. While in this example, second example, that's 1. Belongs to the lower number, so no need to add. Just write that 2 as it is and write 0 after that. Okay? Or you can also write just until 8, no need 0. Okay, that's what I told you, it doesn't matter if you write 0 or not. Next, round to the hundredths. What is the right side of hundredths? Okay, right side of hundredths is tenths. So I mean thousands. So you have to look at thousands. What number is thousands? So if it is higher to, it belongs to a higher number, then you add 1. If it belongs to the lower number, then no need to add. For this example, so 8, 1. So just leave it. Oh, sorry. You got a mistake here. Okay, so this is supposed to be 780, and this is also 0.78 because 1, okay, is 1 belongs to the lower number. And in the second example, so since 8 belongs to the higher number, so you have to add 1 to 1, making it 2. So this is 20 now. Okay? Or 0.22. Right? So 10,000s. Now the whole number. So 10,000 is the third 10,000 is 1. So first example 5, 6. So since 6 is higher, the number at the right, so you have to add 1 to 5, making it 60,000. You can write 60,000 only, or you can also write 60,000.0000. Okay? And the second example, 70, because it becomes 70,000 because the number at the right side of 7 is 3, which belongs to the lower number. And right to the nearest hundreds, which hundreds here? Hundreds is 9 and 4. So 9, after 9, the number at the right side of 9 is 4. So just leave it 9 there. Well, for 4, the right side is 5, higher. So add 1 to 4, becoming it 500. Okay? I hope you understand. Sometimes, okay, sometimes the number is 9, like for example. Okay, another example, I will just add this. For example, 26.98, and the instruction is round to the nearest nearest tenths. So what's the tenths? 9. And the number to the right of 9 is 8, which belongs to the higher number. So it means you have to add 1 here. So do you think you will just write 26.10? No, it's not correct. So since this is 9, okay, since this is 9, you have to add 1 to 6 also. So this becomes 27.00 or 27 only. Okay? So when the number that needs to be running off is 9, then you have to add, to make that number 0 and add 1 to the number before. Okay? I hope that you understand, and I hope you will get this very basic skill and concept in mathematics. Bye bye, see you next time.